Good afternoon. Welcome to another weekly forecast. Today is the 4th of September 2022. It's a Sunday afternoon, and I am recording the forecast for this week. So let's start with the dollar index. So, looking at the dollar index, I think dollar index might want to trade a little bit higher going into this week. We actually traded into a volume imbalance up here, and that caused a rejection. But when the market opens, I want to see price trade up and then maybe back down and then up again. So I'm anticipating a move up, a move down, and then a move up. So we might get some kind of a consolidation on the dollar index this week, but it's a consolidation to the upside, not to the downside. So I'll take it one day at a time and then see what price will give me. I'm going into um, um, next week. Now, the forecast for the foreign currencies is that some of the majors are going to drop, some of them are going to rally. So let's see. I'm expecting euro to rally. Okay. So I'm expecting euro to rally, but maybe midweek rally. So maybe they will take out this low here and then go up. Pound, I want to see pound trade down and then up. However, on New Zealand and Aussie, it's quite the opposite. I want to see them trade up and down. Okay, trade up and down. So euro and pound, I'm expecting a down for the week and up. So that means maybe between Monday and Wednesday, price is gonna trade down, and I like this low here as they draw on liquidity between Monday and Wednesday, and then reversal to come back up. With that, I want to just see them drop down a little bit more and then rejection to come back up again. And then on the New Zealand and Aussie, I want to see them trade up and do the opposite of what the pound and the euro would do. Okay, especially the Aussie, because we still are yet to take out this low. Even if we don't take out that low, I still want to see them trade down here. So between Monday, Tuesday, I want to see them go up first and then come back and hit this level. Gold, I think gold is gonna retrace. I think it might trade up in here for this week and then maybe back down again to attack this low and the equal lows down here. So gold, I'm looking for a Monday, Tuesday, maybe even a Wednesday as well, trading up. But the dealing range is this here, so I don't want to see them break above that high, right? So we will see. Ideally, I want to see them trade above this high, right? And then I will anticipate a continuation to the downside. So between Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can buy pullbacks until we get up there, and then I'll expect price to now drop down. Crude oil, I want to see them attack this low Monday, right? On Monday, I want to see them attack this low, and then I will anticipate a move back up into this range. Okay, so I will look for a run down, break of structure, and then price trading up in here. If we don't get a straight away reversal, that means they might want to go down a little bit more. So the idea will be to measure this range and then anticipate. We want to anticipate 1.27 and 1.68. But if immediately after the low we reject, then I'll be anticipating them coming up here. Euro yen, I think we might get one more run to the upside before a breakdown. But the forecast for the seasonal tendency On euro and on yen, they are showing the opposite. So um, maybe this will be the high that price will reject and come back down. So if we do take out this low on Monday, depending on how they take out that low, it might give a pullback to continue going down. But if Monday takes out just a low and rejects, then I'll be looking for it to go up and then down. Okay, so pretty much it's a wait and see. But for now, since it's going up, if I do trade on Monday, which I don't, I would have bought this one to continue going up into this candle. Pound yen, on the other hand, I want to see a run for these lows here and then a rejection to come up to attack these highs. If we lose this low, we'll be attacking this and then down here. So as long as this low is intact, I'm looking for a run to go up to clean out all this. Maybe to come up here and then a move down. Okay. So these are all just forecast. During the course of the week, we will actually look into it on a daily basis. All right. Euro Aussie. Now, based on the forecast that I did on the euro and the Aussie, it looks to me that this week might retrace to go up, because the first 2 days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, I want to see a strong Aussie and a weaker euro. So that will cause this to retrace. So I'll look at this low to the high for OTE levels and then I'll buy that. And then finally, euro pound. This thing is still bullish. It looks to me that they're going to attack this high. Maybe after that high is taken, then price will give us some kind of movement to the downside, aggressive movement to the downside. But until then, I remain bullish to take out this high and then maybe challenge this one as well. Okay, but until then, we're sticking with buys only. And then finally, for our crypto traders, Bitcoin, I think they're gonna continue the downtrend. I don't think price is gonna go up again. I was anticipating them to go up a little bit more, but it doesn't look like it wants to go up. So I'm gonna elect to continue a move downwards to attack this low. Okay, so I think Bitcoin is getting ready to make one more run to the downside. Same thing with Ethereum. It has traded into premium, and then the H4 has given indication it wants to drop over here. Right, so I will look for sales ideas going forward. If we retrace relative to that range, somewhere up there, that would be a nice level to sell down. And then if they trade above that, I'm wrong, we look for a buy to go and attack this. Same thing with that. I think it's going to continue going lower. So, I think it did retrace into OTE relative to this daily range here. So this daily range here, divide that into 2, 618%. I want to see price straight down, attack these lows here. And then finally, Cardian, which is a trade that we took last week, right? We got a buy in here and close the trade. I think we might get one more push, maybe to clear out these highs first and then maybe a reversal. But I'm sticking with buys only for this week as well. They do have a nice level in here. If we retrace there, that's a buy opportunity. As long as this low is intact, I'm bullish. So that brings us to the end of this week's forecast. We are going to have a wonderful week in the Discord. So hopefully you are all ready for another week. Till then, peace.